Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing the pillow package and importing the modules you need so nothing blocks you later. Once done, open your editor and write, from PIL import image, import matplotlib, piplot as PLT. This gives you a simple API to load and show images. Make sure to use a virtualenv or conda environment so global packages stay clean. Now you're ready to load a file from disk. That's the first actionable step to get pixels into memory. You now load the image into memory using image. Open your image, JPG, and inspect its mode and size. If you need consistent color, call convert RGB so matplotlib displays RGB correctly. Next, pass the PIL image to matplotlib, PLT, show img, PLT, axis off, PLT, show. This sequence handles most file types and works inside scripts and interactive shells. If you're in Jupyter, use %map. You finish by optionally resizing or saving the image. Img equals img. Resize, 800, 600, image, lengthos, img. Save, resized, PNG. Once saved or shown, close resources if needed. If the image appears blank or a gray box, check 3 common issues: incorrect color mode, convert to RGB, wrong file path, or forgetting PLT. Show, in non-interactive scripts. If you see a distorted aspect, preserve ratios when resizing so the display looks correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.